Hello fellow traders, what's going on? This is my first video, and it will be one of many that I'll be recording my trades that I'll be doing for the year, and one of my goals is to double my account. I did a back testing of my system, and it turns out to be 50-50, and there'll be drawdowns for sure, and my final goal will be doubling my account. So I'll be doing a lot of trades on the 1-hour charts, just because I needed real live data samples to see what it would be to trade more, and the frequency of like a certain period or maybe a drawdown or winning streaks. I just wanted to see what it's like so I can get some real data to figure out how to improve my system better. So basically what we're looking for is candles like this. I'm going in the 4-hour chart because I do see inside candles. So basically they're consolidating, and your goal is to catch a big move. So you want to catch something like this one, right? So you see this candle, a big drop, a little bit of retracement, and then you get a small candle here like this, and then it drops below, and then you enter, right? So you put your stop. I would usually put my stop here. So the purpose of the strategy is to catch a big move. So if it just drops and it reverses, come back up, I'll get stopped out, and there'll be times where you will get stopped out multiple times. But since I'm doing using a smaller profit target rate of about 1.5 times, it increases my reliability, but I usually will only catch a small part of a big move. For example, on the 1-hour chart we have this move. So we were basing, right? So after extended big move to the downside, we get a nice pop. This is set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So doing this inside, if you entered right above, so if you were to do the take profit method of 2 times or 1.5 or 3 or whatever, you would get your target hit. But if you do the trailing stop, you would get a bigger multiple. But by doing that, you will have a lower win ratio, because it's hard to catch moves like that all the time unless you know. Of course, if you tested your system for a long time, you have a good intuition of what's going on, then you get a better ratio. So I'm just trying to improve on that, and hopefully I will get to that point. So basically there were a couple of inside candles, like for this one just failed, but I usually, when on a trade on a 1-hour chart, I look for anything right around 10 pips or less. That way you get when you get a big move, you're more likely to get your target hit. But that's what I like to trade. So there's no setups at the moment, but I am looking at the 4-hour chart, and here we have an inside candle, and we have another one. So we have about 3 hours before this ends. So if it ends at an inside candle, then it'd be nice, because then I would get let's see, hold on, it's 25 pip bar range, so I need 30 pips, which to the downside, which is definitely doable. This support here. So I will be putting on a trade tonight if it breaks. So I'll keep you guys updated every day, and I'll be keeping data throughout the entire month to the end of January before I decide if I want to put in more money. But in the meantime, it's all about testing. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll talk to you guys later.